Hello guys, welcome back to the Mindful Abundance. I'm Khushi and this channel is a personal development platform for creating the life you love. Today I'll be talking about the law of attraction, how it really works and what is the science behind it. Before I start, let me tell you I am a very spiritual person and I truly believe in the energy of divine. However, I also have my background in science, so I love understanding things from the perspective of science as well. When I got to know about law of attraction, I decided to dig deeper into it to understand how it really works and what is it that so fascinating about it. So after a lot of research and after a lot of practicing, I got to understand that it is a whole lot of magic and belief and a whole lot of science and psychology. We just have different names for the same techniques in different worlds. Have you ever felt that you always wanted something and it just came into your life? Maybe you started seeing the right kind of opportunities, met right kind of people, took the right decision in that particular moment. Or even sometimes, have you noticed that the project would seem like a dream project and the project might seem too good, but it just fell through the cracks and it didn't work out? Well, you see, law of attraction is always at work. Stay with me till the end and I'll try to explain law of attraction from both the perspectives. To put simply, law of attraction states that energy flows where the focus goes. It means that you will attract things into your life based on where you put your attention to. Whatever you give your energy and focus on will come back to you. Just like gravity, law of attraction is always in effect. And it is the eternal law which is there and it is always working whether you realize it or not, and it always does its job to reflect life back to you whether you are understanding it or not. So why not work with law of attraction, make it a friend and create the life we truly want? You see, we are already constantly creating our future with every single thought, whether consciously or unconsciously, because the process of creation never really stops. I also personally believe that law of attraction helps us take inspired actions, which in turn help us create a dream into reality. So if you stay focused on positive and good things in your life, that is what automatically you will attract more into your life. And if you focus on negativity and lack, then that is what will be attracted into your life. You see, thoughts have a very important and vital role in how our life turns out and what our energy is that we put out into the world. If you really see, then every single thing that exists once began as a tiny thought. All the innovations, all the mobile, laptop, heavy machinery, multi-dollar companies, all of those things began as a thought. Someone somewhere thought about it. And then that particular thought was put into series of actions and create success. Let me now try and explain you the role of subconscious mind in law of attraction. You see, when we are born as babies, we are open to all the possibilities. Our subconscious mind is really open to everything around us, and it slowly gets filled with the experiences and the kind of people we are surrounded with the various decisions that are put into our head, and the various things that we see in life, and the things that people speak, parents speak, or friends and family speak about life, success, and things like that. All of it contributes to repeating patterns in our brain, and we slowly start believing these things at the subconscious level. Now, as we grow up and we have our own experiences and share of life, these thoughts and experiences don't really get deeper into our mind and are blocked by the negative patterns and thoughts that are already present in our subconscious mind. There are also the limiting beliefs that we have. Now, law of attraction works greatly with the subconscious mind. And it's very important for that reason that we have positive thoughts and intentions at our subconscious level. However, it's not the case with most of us in general, but the good news is that we can always change our thoughts and patterns at the deeper level by various techniques and things that we can do. Especially, we can change our patterns by changing our thoughts. This is where affirmations come into picture. It has been proven scientifically that positive affirmations can help rewire our brain. These are that effective and strong. Second powerful technique is visualization and brain science. You see, athletes and performers use this technique all the time. It helps them win games and tournaments. It is a proven thing. So what happens is, when you visualize a successful career, love, or abundance, financial abundance in your life, The brain doesn't really know the difference whether it's happening now or in the future. If your visualization is very powerful, positive, and strong, the neurons in the brain work towards making it real, and you end up manifesting those things into your life. I'll make a video on visualization technique very soon in depth. Same way, when we come back from office, we have a general tendency of saying, "Oh, I'm very tired, the work was hectic," and things like that. So what happens is, when you say you're very tired, everyone around you says, "Oh, he's tired," or "Oh, she's tired, let them rest." And they literally start blessing you with the same energy of tiredness and hectic day at work. So you end up feeling more tired and low than you actually are. And it keeps, transforming into a belief into your mind and into your body. For just a month, when you come back from home or when you are done with your day's work, just try saying, "You know what, work was really good. It was great. I feel so happy and rejuvenated. I feel great after doing all the things that I love doing." And notice the difference. You'll see tons of difference in your energy and your overall vibe as a person. Yes, sometimes we have to fake our thoughts, and it's nothing wrong with it. Because what you're actually doing is, you're only tricking your own brain to believe that something good and positive is happening in your life. You're visualizing and you are putting out the positive energy, so that the brain will actually work towards converting those intentions into reality, and you will manifest in all of it into your life, and you will end up having the life you truly want. So it's perfectly alright, and there are many ways to do it. I'll explain in the coming videos, or else this one will become really long. Same way, there's quantum physics, double slit experiment, and quantum jumping. In double slit experiment, in a nutshell, based on the intention and observation of the observer, the results of the experiment change. Same happens in life. Different people have different experiences, learnings, and intentions out of these similar situations in life. And based on the intentions and the energy they put out or receive is the things that they attract into their life. Same way, this concept of parallel universe and how we can shift our vibrations to resonate with it. I'll not go into the depth, but just to give you a gist of it, in the current universe, that is in our current life, you might not have your dream car, your dream career, love life, or business. However, in some alternate universe, you might be having it all. The only thing is that we are not consciously aware of other possibilities. We are only aware of the current reality we live in. All we have to do is focus our energy on what we truly want in our life and attract things based on that. I know all of it might be sounding a little sciencey, so if you don't want to get into depth, it's perfectly okay. Law of attraction works. Just trust me on this one. Another important thing that I would like to tell is people with serious anxiety, stress, or depression may find it difficult to practice law of attraction initially, because what happens is, due to their state of mind, they end up manifesting the negative emotions. So it's always a good idea to take help and get your mind clear of all the limiting thoughts and of all the blocks that you have, and let go of all of the negative emotions, and then slowly start practicing positive thoughts and positive intentions into your life, so that it will work really well. I know this because I've personally been in that state of depression, anxiety, and stress, and I know how I have ended up manifesting negativity all throughout my day and life during that phase. So what happens is, I do the same with all my clients now. So whenever they come to me, I coach them, counsel them, help them deal with their emotions, blocks, and understanding their negative thoughts and from where is it coming, and how can they better deal with it. And then I slowly introduce them to mindfulness, affirmations, and a lot of other techniques, so that they can truly create the life that they really want, and they can rewrite their life story. This approach has given me great results every time. If you wish to check out my programs, you can check it out on the mindfulabundance.com. I leave you with a quote that is really close to my heart. What you think, you become. What you feel, you attract. What you imagine, you create. I hope this video gave you a deeper insight into how law of attraction actually works. Do let me know in the comment section, do you believe in it? And would you like to give it a try? I'll be back with more such videos. Do give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family who might find it informative and helpful. Subscribe to my channel, it's free guys, and please press the bell icon so that you'll get notified each time I upload a video. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care and stay happy.